Supports standard desktop 2. 5/3. 5 SATA Hard Drives or SSD. Supports hard drives up to 10 terabytes. Plug and play, no drivers needed. Reverse compatible with USB 1. 1 USB 2. 0 USB 3. 0. Supports transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, USB 3. 1 Gen 2, 5 gigabits per second, USB 3. 0. 480 megabits per second, USB 2. 0. 12 megabits per second, USB 1. 1. The Sabrent DSUTC2 SATA docking station supports the direct insertion of desktop 2. 5/3. 5 SATA Hard Drives. It is a caseless solution that makes swapping hard drives easier than ever before. Plus, now you can take advantage of the lightening speed of USB 3. 1 to quickly transfer files up to 10 gigabits per second. Connect any 2. 5/3. 5 serial SATA, or SATA II hard drive to your computer through an available USB 3. 1 port on your desktop or laptop. Hard drive duplicator function. The Sabrent DSUTC2 standalone duplicator dock can be used to duplicate, clone an existing hard drive without connecting to a computer, or simply as external storage to transfer data between a hard drive and your computer. Note: your source disk must have equal or less capacity when compared to your target disk. Top reviews from the United States. Great device. Very easy to set up and use. My desktop would no longer boot, so I needed a way to get my data off the failed system and on to my new PC. I removed the hard drive from the failed system and plugged it into Sabrent device and quickly was able to copy my data to the new PC. I highly recommend this device.